If you want to learn how to post on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can create and publish a post in just a few seconds. Whether you're sharing a thought, an update, a link, or an image, this is one of the most important basics to know on X. And if this video helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your X account and head to your home timeline feed. At the top of the page, you'll see a text box that says, "What is happening?" This is the main place where you create a new post. If you don't see it right away, you can also click the Post button on the left side navigation menu to open the Compose window. Once the post box appears, click inside the text area and type your message. This can be a short update, a question, an announcement, or anything you want to share with your audience. Keep in mind that X is designed for quick, engaging posts, so try to make your message clear and direct. If you want to make your post more engaging, you can use the tools below the text box. These icons let you add emojis, images, GIFs, polls, and even schedule your post depending on your account and available features. If you're posting something visual, adding an image or GIF can help your post stand out more in the feed. If you want feedback from your followers, a poll can be a great option too. Take a moment to review your message before you publish it. Make sure the spelling looks right, the text says exactly what you want, and any media you added appears correctly. This small step can save you from posting something by mistake. When you're ready, look at the bottom right corner of the Compose box and click the blue Post button. That's what publishes your content instantly to X. After that, your post will appear on your profile and in the feeds of the people who follow you. And that's it. You've just learned how to post on X.com or Twitter account in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.